Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert degrees Celsius symbol in PowerPoint. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the text box and draw a text box, and now type the weather forecast, for example 20, and now head to the insert and click on the equations and click on the insert new equation. An equation editor box will be open up. You need to click on this symbol groups arrow and click on this arrow and select the basic math, and now here you need to find it, and here you can see that. Click on that to insert it, and now double click and select the symbol and go to the home and uncheck the italicize, and you can also reduce the size a little bit like this one. Another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0176 and release the Alt key. And now move the cursor to the left side and type 25 and type C. So with these two ways you can easily insert degree Celsius symbol in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.